In today's video, we are going to cover how to connect make.com to Typeform. Let's start by signing in to make.com. From your dashboard, create a new scenario if you are starting from scratch, or open an existing scenario if you already have one in place. Once the scenario editor is open, you can add the app connection from there. Click the plus button to add a module. In the search field, type Typeform, then select Typeform from the results. After that, choose the specific module you want to use. The exact module can vary depending on what you want the scenario to do. So select the one that matches your workflow before moving to the connection settings. Inside the Typeform module, look for the connection field and click Add. This opens the setup process for linking your Typeform account to make.com. If a sign-in page appears in a new window or tab, wait for it to load fully before continuing. On the Typeform sign-in page, log in using the same method you normally use for your Typeform account. That could be Google, Microsoft, email, or SSO. Make sure you choose the correct sign-in option for your account, because using a different method can prevent the connection from linking to the right workspace. After you sign in, Typeform will display the permissions that make.com is requesting. Review those permissions, then click Allow or Authorize to grant access. This gives make.com permission to work with your Typeform account for the selected module. If your browser blocks the authorization window, allow the pop-up and complete the sign-in again. Once authorization is complete, the connection is usually created automatically and selected in the Typeform module. Return to make.com and confirm that the new connection appears in the connection field. If it is already selected, you can move directly to the module settings. Now configure the module itself. Choose the Typeform form you want to use or complete any other required settings shown for that module. What appears here depends on the module you selected, so go through each field and make sure the correct form and options are set before testing. When the configuration is in place, click Run once to test the scenario. This checks that make.com can access Typeform and that the module responds as expected. If the run completes without an authorization issue, the connection is active. To finish, click Save, then switch the scenario on so it can run when needed. Saving keeps the connection and module settings in place, and turning the scenario on makes it available for use in your workflow. Your make.com scenario is now connected to Typeform and ready to run with the selected module.